Hey guys, it's me Mabani Kolusile. It has been a long time since we haven't been getting hold of each other, and I've been busy with duty calls. Uh, it has been a peaceful week this week, and I just wanted to share something with you today on gold. Since Tuesday, I've been active on gold, making money out of despair. So, what happened on Monday? I was trying to take an entry going on the upside of this market, and the market kept on hitting on my stop, like on this setup, because I was anticipating my work off on this structure, and then the market kept on giving me false signals, and then on Monday at around what time was it? Let me put in so that I could see the times. It was at 7 o'clock midnight South African time, and then it gave me an entry. I was hoping for this, guys, on Monday, and the market didn't even come to test this zone. They just bounced on this week, and it was midnight. I could have taken that trade because I had the confluences that the market was going to reverse. It was around 3 a.m. and then as I was telling you guys that the market moves in the power of 3. They open a day, and then they give you the false move up, which is the manipulation. Then they will give you another manipulation going below the opening of the day. Then they will retrace back to the initial move to complete the daily move, then rising, then they will close at around the high of the day in a bullish market. And then this is called the power of 3. This is how the market moves, guys, and I will be showing you on this structure. This was Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, this line represents the opening of the day. The market opens here, it gives the false move like I explained there, then they will retraces below the opening of the day, inducing more sellers to sell in this market. Then they will retraces back towards the opening of the day. Then they know that people will use these points as their stop loss areas. Then they will retrace back to take out those who were putting in their stop loss on these areas when going higher. Now they will grab the liquidity that they created from the previous day, mid New York and London session, with this movement like they are doing there. They are taking the liquidity here, and I will explain how are we going to buy this market. I was expecting this retracement. I went in with a sell here, but they just stopped me out, and I was expecting them. Then I just decided to stay on the balcony and wait for them to retrace back to my trading zone. On this trade, I'll be expecting them to retrace back, but let me complete this movement, which is the structure that I've made here. And then we know the market is bullish. They give you the false move during the accumulation. They will accumulate people to buy this market, and then they traces back to give you a sell opportunity. Once you fall for their sales, they will retrace back to the opening of the day. Then they will use the opening of the day as the entry to go up, and then they will close around above the opening of the day. Now we have the same structure. They open, and let me go to M15 so that you could see the clear picture of what I've just explained on this structure. Here we are. They give you false move up, then they will retrace, give you a sell opportunity, then they trap you on those, and I'm expecting them to take out these two equal lows on this move. Then I will be entering this market. How this is how I do take my entries, guys. And I'll first identify yesterday's 14-hour candle, where the market will give us buying opportunities. My MetaTrader is freezing. I identify the 14th hour candle from yesterday's New York Open. Come on 1430, 1415, here's the candle we are looking for, the 14th hour candle. Then where do I place my Fibonacci? From the low of New York Open to the high of New York Open. Here we are. Here's the high. And then if you can look into this market, the market has already given you an entry there on AK47. I'm trying to bring in the trading zone, the OTE zones. Here we go. Now we have the retracement. Someone could have taken this trade and could have been into the profit. Remember, we are anticipating a certain move that the market will react in that way, and then we could have hit you on the break even. But since they haven't tested these moves, but we have the power of 3, which is already giving us a go ahead on buying the market, as they bounce on this candle that they use to trap the sellers from the manipulation behavior of the market previously. And now I will use my stop loss as the low of this candle, which is yesterday's high, tracer, and If that's the case, I could have been in break even here and let the market prove me wrong, but possibly they can come and test these OTE zones and then rise. I'm still bullish on this pair, guys. I hope you enjoy this one. Hi, Papa.